It's the holiday season, and there's no better way to celebrate than by indulging in delectable Christmas confections. If you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle, you may be wondering how to balance things out during the holidays. Do not be alarmed. This guide will take you through a great selection of alternatives designed especially for health-conscious celebrants to enjoy for a full day of feasting. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our healthy updates from our channel, Health Conscious. So let's explore the delicious world of holiday cuisine without sacrificing health. Breakfast. A nutrient-packed start. Start your day off well with a filling breakfast to prepare your body for the celebrations that lie ahead. Choose a nutrient-dense smoothie made with seasonal fruits like antioxidant-rich berries. For an energy boost, blend them with a banana, Greek yogurt, and a small handful of spinach. Add a sprinkling of chia seeds on top for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. If you like a more conventional breakfast, try some muesli mixed with a few walnuts and a dash of cinnamon. Oats fiber will keep you feeling full, while walnuts offer some good fats. Mid-morning snack. Munching on goodness. Maintain the enthusiasm throughout the morning with a small, wholesome snack. Nutritious and crunchy, a handful of mixed nuts, almonds, pistachios, etc., can be a great snack. For a delicious blend of flavors, serve this with some seasonal fruit, such as an apple or pear. Lunch. Balancing act. Make a Christmas lunch that is the ideal combination of decadence and nourishment for the day's big event. Go for a lean protein source such as grilled chicken breast or roasted turkey. Arrange a rainbow of vibrant veggies on your platter, like roasted Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and a crisp salad. Remember to complete your meal with a modest piece of whole grains, such as brown rice or quinoa. All day long energy will be sustained by these complex carbohydrates. Always remember that eating well without going overboard depends on portion control. Afternoon delight. Sip and savor. Enjoy a nice cup of herbal tea or a handmade spiced latte as the afternoon wears on to relax. For a festive touch, add a sprinkle of cinnamon and use a non-dairy milk substitute. Not only will this calming interlude lift your emotions, but it will also help quell any afternoon cravings. Dinner. Feasting with flavor. Prepare a seasonal feast for the grand finale that doesn't waver from your dedication to good health. Pick a dish high in protein, like baked salmon, or go vegetarian with something like stuffed acorn squash. Fill up on roasted veggies and choose lighter sides, such as mashed cauliflower or quinoa pilaf. Dessert. Sweet endings. Without a little sweetness, no Christmas festivity is truly complete. Treat your sweet tooth to something healthier for dessert. Think of some honey-drizzled fruit salad or a little dish of dark chocolate-covered strawberries. Try utilizing oats, almonds, and dried fruits to bake some festive energy nibbles if you're feeling particularly daring. Closing thoughts. Being health-conscious over Christmas doesn't have to mean giving up the pleasure of festive eating. You can have a pleasant and nourishing Christmas day by choosing carefully and savoring the flavors of the season. Recall that balance and moderation are crucial. Therefore, this Christmas season, embrace the giving spirit and give to your health as well as to yourself by making thoughtful decisions that honor the joy of the occasion while keeping wellness top of mind. To a happy and healthy Christmas.